Have you ever thought about how much space you could save if one appliance replaced half the gadgets in your kitchen? That's exactly what the best pressure cooker air fryer combo can do. These machines aren't just convenient, they're designed to give you crispy textures, rich flavors, and faster cooking all in one. Today, we'll look at some of the very best air fryer pressure cooker options out there, and by the end, you'll know which one fits your cooking style best. Links to check current prices are in the description box below. Let's begin with the Nuwave Duet air fryer, a machine that really shines when it comes to versatility. What makes the Duet so appealing is its dual functionality. It works as both a pressure cooker and an air fryer, and you can easily switch between the two without fuss. Imagine searing a piece of meat under pressure to lock in all the juices, and then, with the same appliance, crisping up the outside until it has that irresistible crunch. The design of the Duet emphasizes control, with intuitive settings that give you the confidence to experiment. For many home cooks, this feels like the best multi-cooker with air fryer because of how easily it adapts to different cooking styles. Another benefit of the Nuwave Duet is the way it's built for families and busy cooks. The generous cooking capacity means you can prepare meals for several people at once, avoiding the need to cook in multiple batches. The accessories included with the Duet expand your cooking options even further, allowing you to layer foods or cook multiple dishes simultaneously. This is especially useful if you enjoy preparing complete meals in one go, such as a protein and vegetables together, saving you both time and cleanup. With this kind of flexibility, it's no wonder many consider it among the best pressure cooker air fryer models available. When you use the Nuwave Duet, you'll notice how much thought has gone into its programmability. The preset functions are designed to take the guesswork out of cooking, so whether you're sautéing, slow cooking, steaming, or air frying, you can trust that the appliance is calibrated to deliver consistent results. The stainless steel construction adds a sense of durability, while the clear digital display makes it easy to monitor your progress. You'll feel in control at every stage, and you'll quickly come to appreciate how much more streamlined your cooking routine becomes. Do you think you'd use the pressure cooking side more often, or would you find yourself leaning on the air fryer features most of the time? The sensory experience of cooking with this machine is also worth noting. You'll hear the gentle hiss of steam as the pressure builds, then the satisfying hum of the air fryer fan as it crisps your food to perfection. The aromas that fill your kitchen are rich and layered, from the savory scent of braised meats to the warm, toasty fragrance of baked goods. It's this combination of efficiency and sensory delight that makes the Nuwave Duet such a rewarding addition to your kitchen. Now, moving on to the Instant Pot Pro Crisp, which is another powerhouse in the world of best pressure cooker air fryer combo appliances. This model is designed for those who want professional-grade performance at home. With its sleek black finish and robust build, it immediately feels like a serious piece of equipment. The Pro Crisp is especially impressive because it combines the full functionality of an Instant Pot pressure cooker with a high-performance air fryer lid, allowing you to pressure cook, then crisp in the same pot without having to transfer your food. The Pro Crisp offers a wide range of cooking functions, from pressure cooking and slow cooking to sautéing, steaming, and dehydrating. This versatility means you can tackle just about any recipe you can imagine, whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or experimenting with something more elaborate. The air fryer lid is particularly notable for its even heat distribution, ensuring that your food crisps uniformly without the need to constantly shake or stir. You'll find that everything from roasted vegetables to chicken wings comes out with that perfect golden brown finish, making this one of the best multi-cooker with air fryer options for adventurous home chefs. Another standout feature of the Instant Pot Pro Crisp is its attention to detail in terms of safety and usability. The control panel is intuitive, with clear settings and feedback that make it easy to master even if you're new to pressure cooking or air frying. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup as easy as cooking. You'll appreciate how quickly the Pro Crisp comes to pressure and how efficiently it transitions between cooking modes, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. When you cook with the ProCrisp, you'll notice how it elevates the textures and flavors of your meals. Pressure cooking locks in moisture and intensifies flavors, while the air fryer lid adds an irresistible crunch. Imagine biting into a piece of chicken that's tender and juicy on the inside, but has a perfectly crisp skin, or serving up a batch of fries that are golden and crunchy without the heaviness of oil. The Instant Pot ProCrisp doesn't just make cooking easier, it makes your food taste better, and it's often praised as one of the best air fryer pressure cooker combos for its ability to deliver professional results in a home kitchen. Next, let's take a closer look at the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, which has quickly become one of the most popular choices for home cooks who want an all-in-one solution. The Duo Crisp combines the trusted reliability of the Instant Pot with the added benefit of an air fryer lid, making it a truly versatile appliance. You'll find that it offers a broad range of cooking options, from pressure cooking and sautéing to roasting and dehydrating, and it's designed to make the transition between these modes seamless. For many people, this has become the best Instant Pot air fryer option because of its balance of size, performance, and ease of use. The Duo Crisp is especially appealing if you enjoy cooking for family or friends. Its generous capacity means you can prepare larger meals without worrying about running out of space. And the air fryer basket is designed to hold enough food to satisfy a crowd. The nonstick surfaces make it easy to remove your food without sticking, and cleanup is straightforward, which is always a welcome bonus after a big meal. You'll appreciate how this appliance can handle everything from a hearty stew to a batch of crispy onion rings with equal ease, making it one of the best pressure cooker air fryer machines for everyday cooking. One of the things you'll enjoy most about the Duo Crisp is how it simplifies the cooking process. The preset programs are carefully calibrated to deliver consistent results, so you can trust that your food will turn out well even if you're experimenting with a new recipe. The air frying function is particularly impressive, delivering that crunchy texture you crave without the need for deep frying. You'll find yourself reaching for the Duo Crisp again and again, whether you're making a quick dinner on a weeknight or preparing a special meal for the weekend. What kind of dish would you be most excited to try in something like the Duo Crisp? Would it be a crispy snack or a full family dinner? Cooking with the Duo Crisp is a sensory experience in itself. You'll hear the gentle bubbling of a stew as it cooks under pressure, followed by the crisping sound of the air fryer fan as it finishes the dish. The aromas that fill your kitchen are rich and inviting, from the savory scent of roasted meats to the sweet fragrance of baked desserts. It's this combination of efficiency, reliability, and sensory pleasure that makes the Duo Crisp such a standout in the world of best Instant Pot air fryer combos. Finally, let's talk about the Ninja Foodi Deluxe Pressure Cooker FD401, which is a true workhorse in this category. The Ninja Foodi has built a reputation for its TenderCrisp technology, which allows you to pressure cook your ingredients to lock in juices and then finish them off with a golden, crispy, air-fried texture. This dual approach means you get the best of both worlds, the speed and flavor infusion of pressure cooking and the satisfying crunch of air frying, making it a clear contender for the best pressure cooker air fryer combo title. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe stands out for its large capacity. With an 8-quart ceramic coated pot and a 5-quart cook and crisp basket, you can easily prepare meals for the whole family. The basket is non-stick, PTFE and PFOA free, and dishwasher safe, so you can enjoy generous portions without worrying about cleanup. You'll find that the extra space makes it easier to cook larger cuts of meat or bigger batches of food, which is perfect for gatherings or meal prepping. This capacity makes it one of the best pressure cooker air fryer models if you often cook for groups. Another highlight of the Ninja Foodi Deluxe is its 12-in-1 versatility. You can pressure cook, air fry, steam, slow cook, sauté, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, sous vide, make yogurt, and keep your food warm. This wide range of options means that you can truly rely on one appliance for almost all your cooking needs. The deluxe reversible rack included with the unit adds even more flexibility, allowing you to steam or broil multiple items at once or cook in layers to maximize efficiency. When you use the Ninja Foodi Deluxe, you'll notice how much it enhances the flavors and textures of your meals. Imagine pressure cooking a roast until it's tender and juicy, then crisping the outside until it has that perfect golden crust. Or picture making a batch of homemade chips that are light, crunchy, and full of flavor without the excess oil. The Ninja Foodi doesn't just cook your food, it transforms it, giving you professional quality results in the comfort of your own kitchen. If you've ever tried a Ninja Foodi before, let me know what your favorite thing to cook in it has been. I'd love to hear your ideas. So, there you have it. 4 of the very best pressure cooker air fryer combo appliances you can get right now. Each one has its own strengths, from the versatility of the Nuwave Duet to the professional performance of the Instant Pot Pro Crisp, the reliability of the Duo Crisp, and the all-in-one power of the Ninja Foodi Deluxe. No matter which you choose, you'll be adding a tool that makes cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you'd like to see the current prices for any of these products, you'll find the links waiting for you in the description box below.